At Klinedinst Attorneys, an important part of our mission statement is to positively impact the legal, business, and personal lives in the communities in which we work and live, which is why we are so proud to be a sponsor of Veterans Legal Institute. Veterans Legal Institute is the nonprofit organization that is nearest and dearest to my heart. I've been volunteering with Veterans Legal Institute since 2014 when it started, working up to becoming a member of the board and now vice chair of the board. In 2017, I founded the Veterans Legal Institute Pro Bono Trust and Estate Clinic, and through that, we provide over $500,000 of legal services pro bonos to our veterans. It is an incredible gift and blessing to be able to use my unique skills and mindset to be able to support our community and our veterans. And the reason that veterans are so important to me and have been so important to me for my entire life is because I grew up in a military family. 2 of my grandparents are Air Force veterans, and 2 of my grandparents are Navy veterans. And my grandmother, 𝗟𝗪𝗪𝗬𝗘𝗥𝗦 Finkelstein, was one of the very first women in the military. She was a Navy wave in the 40s. Then my mother served over 35 years as an RN with the VA healthcare system. She's just retired. Congratulations, Mom. Given my military background, it's no surprise I married a Navy man. I married an entire Navy family. All of his siblings are in the Navy, and many of his family are in the Army and the Marines. Some of them are currently active duty and deployed now. And I truly thank you for your service. Thank you to my family who are service members, and thank you to all veterans and all service members who are currently serving or who have served. We appreciate you. You know that I do estate planning with 𝗥𝗑𝗪𝗪. 𝗥𝗑𝗪𝗪 means love. Estate planning is planning for life with your love. I served as a law clerk with the Air Force JAG at Nellis Air Force Base, which is where I actually got my start. I hadn't intended to go into estate planning, but while I was there, we had an entire division about to deploy. So in less than 2 weeks, I went from never having taken trust in estates to having prepared 30 complete estate plans and learning the basics of estate planning and how important estate planning is, not just for the wealthy, but for everyone, and particularly for our brothers and sisters in arms. Veterans Legal Institute provides me and all of the attorneys at Klinedinst the ability to use our talents to give back and support these service members, our brothers and sisters in arms who support us, who are willing to give their everything to protect our freedoms. At Klinedinst, we care so much about pro bono that we actually have a pro bono committee firm-wide with all of our locations where we encourage active participation in pro bono activities in each of our locations. And if you'd like to learn more about it, please visit the website. Also, please feel free to check out the numerous articles that we've written for the Orange County Lawyer, which will go into depth about a lot of the services that we offer. I want to highly encourage you to give of your time, talent, and treasure. If you are an attorney, especially if you're a young attorney who's trying to figure out where you fit in the legal world, I encourage you to volunteer with Veterans Legal Institute. Take a case, learn a new area of law, see how you can change the life of a veteran. If you're not an attorney, and if you are an attorney, I encourage you to sponsor Lawyers for Warriors. It is our main fundraiser and it supports us for the entire year. So it is incredibly important to receive the funds necessary to operate this amazing organization. And in case you aren't aware, Veterans Legal Institute is known as a Gold Star nonprofit. You hear a lot about how if you donate $1 to this nonprofit, 87 cents actually goes to the cause. But here at Veterans Legal Institute, if you donate $1 to Veterans Legal Institute, we actually provide $2 to $5 worth of services. It is the only organization I know that does that. It's also the only organization I know where I can actually use my career to improve the services for veterans. I also encourage you, in addition to taking a case, getting involved, donating of your time, talents, and treasure, I encourage you to come see me so that we can establish your legacy plan that includes provisions for Veterans Legal Institute, because that is a way to continue the mission, support our veterans, and leave a lasting legacy for yourself. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you at Veterans Legal Institute, Lawyers for Warriors this year. Signing off from your 2021 Veteran Advocate of the Year.